Like under 1 week, you will start seeing the visible results. Stretch mark can be so annoying and embarrassing. Are you among those people who don't flaunt your beautiful legs because you have stretch marks on your thighs, you have stretch marks on your knee areas, and you feel embarrassed? Or are you among those people who is always putting on long sleeves because you have stretch marks around your armpit and your arm area? Or are you among those people who never show your stomach in any way because you have stretch marks all around your stomach? And you've tried different things on how you can clear off your stretch mark. You must have tried scrubs, you must have tried oils, you must have tried different creams, but your stretch mark has refused to fade. This video is definitely for you because solution is knocking right at your door. Hey my loves, welcome back to the channel. It's Edith Francis. If today's your first time of coming across this face, welcome to the channel. Feel free around here. If you've not subscribed to the channel, do well to hit on the bell subscription, turn on your bell notification so you could get notified when next we upload an interesting and educative video like this. One thing no one is going to tell you is that stretch marks can never be cleared up completely. When I mean can never be cleared up completely is can never be cleared up like your skin, okay? You will still see some stretch mark there, but it's going to be very faint when you apply the right product. In this video, I'm going to be showing you this product that is going to help you fade your stretch marks to an unnoticeable state. Yes, I know you might be doubting because you've tried so many things and it didn't work for you and you must have given up. Don't give up on that skin. This year, 2026, we all are going to have a beautiful, glowing, stretch mark-free skin. Okay, now we're going to be looking at some natural things. That is the word natural, or some things that you could use to clear your stretch mark. Okay, we are going to be looking at jojoba oil, aloe vera gel, Vaseline, and shea butter. Now, these are things that could help you clear your stretch marks. But I'm not going to tell you these are products that will clear your stretch marks like ASAP. This product will not clear your stretch mark like ASAP. If you're someone that is very patient enough, then you can make use of this. Okay, brown oil is one oil that is going to help moisturize your stretch mark area. Okay, one mistake you must have been making why your stretch mark have refused to clear off might be because you are applying your product on a dried skin. When your stretch mark area is dried, it is very difficult for any product to work on it because it is dried, and stretch marks area are not supposed to be dried. So bile oil is that oil that is going to help you moisturize that area and it's going to help you gradually fade off your stretch marks. Okay, but you're not going to make use of bio oil alone. Okay, you could also make use of shea butter, coconut oils, okay, even Vaseline, your blue seal Vaseline. These are things that you can use, especially if you're someone who just puts to bed, okay, and you notice stretch marks are on your body. This Vaseline and shea butter is even very effective and it works faster, okay, when you are a new mom, okay, because at that point your body is still sensitive, your body is still open just like a baby. So anything you apply when you just give birth works faster because your body is open, okay. But if you're not a new mom, these products are products that is going to work gradually. It needs patience, okay, for it to start working. But if you're among those persons that don't have patience enough, okay, to wait for this product to work, I have other solutions for you that could as well help your stretch marks to fade faster. One thing you should know when trying to treat your stretch mark is avoid applying your body moisturizer on your stretch mark area. Don't get me wrong, if you are sure that your body moisturizer is not going to enlarge your stretch mark, then it is safe because your stretch mark area, like I said earlier, need to be moisturized. But there are some creams, okay, that expands your stretch marks. I can remember I used to have a stretch mark. I used to have a stretch mark on my leg, that is my knee, at the back of my knee. I don't know if I'm right, but yeah, I was having stretch mark there, but not very visible. And I noticed when I was always applying my moisturizer there, the stretch mark was enlarging. Then I didn't know much about skincare, okay. So if you're among those people that don't know if your moisturizer enlarges stretch marks, avoid applying your moisturizer around your stretch mark area. Instead, you apply your Vaseline or your coconut oil or your shea butter. Those are things you could easily get your hands on Okay, so that is one mistake you shouldn't make when trying to treat your stretch marks. Okay, or even when you're not treating your stretch marks, for you not to allow your stretch mark enlarge, make sure you don't apply your moisturizer on your stretch mark area if you are not sure of your moisturizer. Now let us quickly get down to this product that is going to help you fade off your stretch marks. The last one is going to be the bomb. Like, I kid you not, when I tell you it is a sharp, sharp, sharp. It is a sharp, sharp, sharp. Okay, so stay glued to the end of this video so you don't miss it. Or I might as well just fix this very product anywhere in the video, not just the last, but some of you will just keep it down to the last. I'll fix it in any of the numbers that I'm going to be mentioning. So I'll advise you to watch the video to the end. Don't skip any part so you won't miss this very product that's going to help you fade off your stretch mark at ease. The first product that we're going to be looking at is Bio Oil and Quintess Anti-Stretch Mark Cream. These both combos, these are what you are going to use. Firstly, I've talked about Bio Oil. So now this Quintessy stretch mark cream. Okay, this cream is one cream that is going to help you fade up your stretch mark gradually. Okay, so you're going to apply these both products when trying to get rid of your stretch marks. Now, how are you going to apply this product? When you're out of the bathroom, make sure your skin is not totally dried up. Okay, your skin should be damp. Then you go in with these stretch mark creams, then you apply your bio oil to massage. Don't just apply your stretch mark cream, massage it into your skin. Okay, if your stretch mark is on your thighs, okay, you massage it upward. Now you massage it upward. If your stretch mark is on your thighs, you massage it upward. Make sure you massage it thoroughly. Okay, when you're done massaging your stretch mark area with this Quintessy stretch mark cream, then you also go in with your bio oil. Bio oil will still help that place retain its moisture. It will help it be moisturized. Okay, then you apply your bio oil. Don't just apply it, you massage it also. Make sure it sink into your skin area. The second product that we are going to be looking at to help you fade those stretch marks is Palmer Cocoa Butter Oil. We all know the oil. This is the oil up here. And we are also going to make use of Palmer Anti-Stretch Mark Cream. This is it up here. And we are also going to make use of Smooth as Sleek Soap. Now, this is one combo that you can try out. This combo, this soap is going to help your skin, okay, fade those stretch marks. It's going to help your skin fall off those skin, okay, that is around your stretch mark area, and it's going to help tighten the stretch mark area, because you all know when you start having stretch marks, it means the skin there is no longer tight. Okay, you can see say when fat has added there and your skin stretches, that is what is going to make you have stretch mark. So this soap is going to help tighten your skin, tighten your stretch mark area. That is one thing this soap is going to help you do. Then the cream is going to help you gradually fade your stretch marks. Now you should know this: Palmer product is not a product that is going to work like. So if you're someone who is looking for a stretch mark product that is going to give you a sharp, sharp something, no, Palmer doesn't give a sharp, sharp thing. Even for their skincare, for their glowing stuff, it is not a sharp, sharp thing. It's something that you're going to use continuously, and gradual process, you see your stretch mark fading off gradually. If there is one thing I love about Palmer products, is their products are very, very moisturizing, suitable for all skin type. Even when your skin is sensitive, you don't have to be afraid of you making use of this product and it's going to give you another issue. Okay, because there are some products, while trying to use it to clear your reaction, it gives you another issue because it is not suitable for your skin type. But Palmer product is very super suitable for your skin type. So you make use of the soap when taking your bath, you make use of the cream when you're out of the washroom, and don't forget, like I said, your body should be damp. Then you also make use of the oil. Now, if this stretch mark is on your stomach and you want to massage, okay, don't just massage it anyhow. Okay, massage it at the circular motion, okay, in a circular way, and make sure at the middle you concentrate so much at the middle of your stomach, because that is where the stretch marks, should I say, begin from. So you massage it in a circular motion, concentrate so much at the middle part of your stomach. Then after doing that, you still do the same thing while applying the oil. Okay, and that is it. That is another beautiful remedy you could use to fade your stretch mark. But don't forget, it is a gradual process. The third products that you can use to fade off your stretch marks are omega A stretch marks and scar cream and extra strong peeling oil. These are another beautiful combo you could try out. Okay, if you have stretch mark, in fact, as the name implies, this cream can also help you get rid of your scar, but I'm not going into that. We are talking about your stretch marks. Now this cream is going to help firm your stretch mark areas. While firming your stretch mark areas, it's also going to moisturize it. It's not going to leave it feeling dried. Okay, it's not going to leave it feeling dried, because there are some products that when they help firm your skin, they dry up your skin. But this is not going to work that way. This is going to firm your skin, and this is also going to moisturize the skin. Now this oil, what this oil does, it will help peel off. Okay, it will help gradually peel off this surface to fade these stretch marks. Now, how can you massage around your armpit area? Probably if you have the stretch marks around your armpit area and you want to massage it, you know, to every part of your body where there are stretch marks, there are different ways you massage it. Okay, that's different ways that suits the areas of the body. Now, for the armpit area, your armpit area is sensitive. Okay, it's sensitive. So you just massage it gently. Okay, you massage it gently in a circular motion. Massage it gently into your skin. You don't have to be rough with it. If it is around here, you just massage it upwards. Okay, if it's around here, you massage it upward into your skin. Now, when you massage this into your skin, you also go in with the oil. Okay, this oil is going to do the job. Now, the fourth one on my list, this one is the Oshaprapa, like fast, 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 fast. Like under 1 week, you will start seeing the visible results. Under 1 week, like I kid you not. Now, these products that I'll be talking about is tretinoid and Blue Seal Vaseline. Blue Seal Aloe Vaseline. Now, these products are very amazing product that is going to help you fade your stretch mark like very, very fast. Okay, now this is a disclaimer. All right, so many people said it's faded their stretch mark very, very fast, while some felt it faded their stretch mark but they were not really satisfied with it. Some said it made that area red. Now, I always tell you, when trying out new products, you pay close attention to your skin. But because some said it makes their area red, doesn't mean I will rule it out. Okay, it also worked so well on some people's skin. So if you are very sensitive, I would not advise you to make use of this product, this tretinoid and Vaseline. Don't make use of this if you are sensitive. Okay, you can make use of other products that I made mention. Okay, now, tretinoin is one cream that is going to help you like very, very fast. Another thing is you don't, when making use of this tretinoin, you should be very, very careful, because any little abuse from this tretinoin, it is going to affect your skin. But if you can use it appropriately, you are going to get the result that you desire. Okay, now this tretinoid and Vaseline are a very good combo that is going to help fade up your stretch marks like ASAP. Vaseline, you make use of the Blue Seal Vaseline Aloe. This is the image here, and this is the image of the tretinoid. Okay, how can you apply these two products? If your skin is sensitive and you still want to go ahead with this tretinoid and Vaseline, okay, take your tretinoid and also take your Blue Seal Vaseline Aloe, the aloe vera. Apply them together on your palm, massage them together. Then you apply it on your stretch mark area. You massage it rather on your stretch mark area. What the Vaseline is going to do, it's going to help reduce the effectiveness from the tretinoid. Okay, that is if you are sensitive. But if you're not sensitive, okay, you can go in with it this way. Once you are out from the bathroom, you massage the tretinoid alone into your skin. Don't forget the stretch mark area alone. Massage it there. Once you're done massaging it, you apply the Vaseline. Massage the Vaseline on top. So the Vaseline will help you retain its moisture, and Vaseline is like a sealer. Do you get it? It's going to seal it up. Okay, it's going to seal up the tretinoin that you've applied. It's like a sealer. It will seal it up to make sure it can absorb your skin properly to function very, very well. Okay, now this is one effective combo, like the fastest out of all that I've mentioned, okay, that you should try out. Another combo that you should try out is the Palmer Cocoa Butter Stretch Mark Set. Yes, Palmer has a stretch mark set, which is this on the screen. This this set is for stretch marks. You could make use of this combo. It is designed specially for stretch marks. Now, if you're this sensitive type and you're afraid of using the tretinoid that I just mentioned, you could make use of this set. This set is very, very effective, okay? But don't forget, Palmer products are not Oshapapa. If you're looking for Oshapapa, use the tretinoid. But if you're sensitive and you are still looking for Oshapapa, you use the tretinoid and Vaseline and it affects your skin. It's on you. It's on you, baby. It's on you. Okay. So just have patience. If you know you have a sensitive skin, one you calm down, small, 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 and you make use of this Palmer set or any other one that I have mentioned. Okay. Now let me know in the comment section. Have you tried out any of this before? Have you tried out any of this before, or are you suffering from stretch mark, or do you have someone who is suffering from stretch mark? How does it make you feel? Okay, let us know in the comment section. Or have you dealt with your stretch mark? Are your stretch mark faded now? You could still share your secret product down in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you've not subscribed to the channel, turn on your bell notification so you can get notified when next we upload another interesting video like this. Don't forget to share this video to someone you know who is suffering from stretch mark. Just share this video abroad, share the video to everyone, and I will see you again. Bye bye.